Stop buying expensive face masks. This simple 3 natural ingredient face mask, it will help to clean your pores, smooth your skin, refresh your dull skin naturally. If you have acne, dark spot, sun damage, chemical damage, if you love simple skincare that work, you have to watch this video to the end, because this treatment is very good for those who want smooth and glassing skin without chemicals, just a pure natural ingredients. Let's start the video together. My people, right now I start to add my honey inside. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of honey inside. So after honey, my next ingredient is baking soda. Please listen to me very carefully. I'm saying baking soda, I'm not saying baking powder, because baking powder is working different, and baking soda is working different, and baking powder is working different. It's not working the same thing, okay? So it's baking soda that I'm adding inside. So if you add baking powder and something happening, that one is up to you. So look for baking soda, the one that is not expired. So after mix everything, I added some few drop of lemon. Okay, I'm adding few drop of lemon inside, and continue to mix it to get this creamy paste. So let's check and see honey. Honey is hydrating and softening skin. It's also fighting for bacteria from your skin or from your face. Okay, if we now, before continue something, let me tell you people, you can see my face. Before you apply, make sure to wash your face thoroughly, to make sure that your face is clean, so that you use even towel to wipe the water, and continue to massaging it in your face very gently, politely way. I'm not using face brush because I want to be massaging my face with this treatment to penetrate very well to my skin. So why baking soda? Baking soda is also gentle exfoliator and cleaning pores from your skin, while lemon also is fighting dull skin and fading dark spot. If you have dark spot, sun damage, chemical damage, or you use cream and it has spoiled your face, this treatment is for you. So when you are going to make it a less bad. The remaining one, I just put it here just for 2 times in a week. It's okay, don't use it too much. 2 times per week. So after that, I wash my face. Now I wash my face. This cream also definitely is inside my channel. You can go and watch it. I don't know, that one I will post first or before this. So but definitely if I post this one first, that cream also is coming following it. So this cream, I make it for myself anytime when I make my mask. So that's the cream that I'm using for my face. But normally this cream, you don't need, anyway, you don't need to out explain it in another video. The video that video you will see it over there. So this cream is just for to moisturize your face. If you, after washing your face, you have to get a cream that to moisturize your face very well. And if you start using this treatment, please, if you use some creams or you buy some butters or some things that it has damaged your face, if you start using this treatment, please stop using those chemicals things, because it's not going to help you. If you are looking for a way to heal your skin, you have to find a way that to throw those chemicals away. I'm not even advising you to give it to anyone. Even you have to throw it away, because giving it to someone also is not going to help the person. Also, it's just going to spoil the person also face, like the way it spoil your face. Mix it very well until you get the smoothest paste, and you massage your face gently inside your face. When you massage in your face, please let me tell you something. For maximum time that you have to wait for 5 minutes before go and wash this treatment out. If you say you don't have time, you just keep it long, 10 minutes, don't, not more than 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, you have to wash it out. Wash it off, okay? 5 to 10 minutes, wash it off. Even if not, only 5 minutes is okay. But if you say okay, 5 minutes is very small, maximum 10 minutes, you have to wash it. Don't let this thing stay in your face for 15 or 20 or 30 minutes. It's not good, okay? Everything, too much of everything is very bad. This thing is very working, because when you just use it, you see how smoother face that you will get. Your face is going to be very smooth. You even love yourself while you are doing this thing, because anytime when I just touch myself, I'm enjoying it. I love why I'm putting this on my face. So please Support this channel for us to grow it together. Okay, here we are doing nature. This channel is all about how we can do to glow our skin naturally and grow our hair naturally and grow our children hair. So